Yanan Group's newly built new energy production center now starts operation. Join me today for a look at our factory's production process. Let us see the cell loading station. The loading robots we use are KUKA, imported from Germany. Robot photographs and picks up cells onto the conveyor. Cells enter OCV testing system, automatically tests cells resistance and voltage, uploads data to MES system. NG handler removes the defective products to NG conveyor, ensuring only good products proceed. Whole process ensures quality and efficiency. Cells passing the OCV test. Enter cell flipping station, matching cell polarities. Robot transfers stacked modules to the pressing station. Pre-welding addressing station after module binding. After addressing, laser cleaning each cell terminal, removing surface oxidation. Enter CCS installation station after module cleaning. First clean CCS, secure CCS to corresponding module. Proceed to subsequent welding station. The CCS and the cell laser welding station employs a 6 kW high-power Trumpf laser from Germany, with plus or minus 0.15 mm precision vision positioning and adaptive calibration, achieving efficient CCS busbar. 2-cell terminal fusion. Wipe weld points with lint-free cloth after welding. Enter CCD post-weld inspection after cleaning. Check for misalignment, missing welds, sublightling, etc. Enter EOL testing after inspection. Testing module voltage, internal resistance, installation. Then module current limiting test. Collect each cell's temperature voltage via CCS. Monitor cell temperature or voltage or differentials. Ensure overall module consistency. Next, leak test liquid cooling base plate. Place the qualified modules onto the base plate. Secure and upload torque to MES. This is low voltage connection station with secure panel to liquid cooling base plate. Connect positive or negative terminals in series to module. Secure over, upload torque to MES. BMU installation station. Operators align BMU assembly precisely to installation reference surface, ensuring alignment pins and mounting holes fully engaged. All steps using the digital display. Electric torque wrenches for the bolt tightening. System automatically uploads each bolt's final torque, tightening angle and timestamp to MES. We ensure every single battery pack achieves a IP67 protection rating. After passing leak test, perform EOL test on entire pack. Using the integrated EOL tester, test product voltage, internal resistance, installation voltage via wiring harnesses. Collect all individual cell temperatures, voltage differentials, ensure product qualification. Weigh and take qualified products offline. Upload all data to MES system. After the finished pack comes off the production line, it first enters the capacity calibration process. Through high-precision capacity grading tests, we complete capacity calibration for each pack, ensuring highly consistent capacity across the entire battery cluster. Once capacity consistency is achieved, the pack proceeds to rigorous charge-discharge cycle testing. We simulate dynamic operating conditions in real application scenarios, subjecting the pack to multiple charge-discharge cycles to verify its cycle life, performance, and stability. Next, the pack enters the full environment simulation test phase. We validate the pack's adaptability across extreme conditions, from -20 degrees Celsius frigid temperatures to 55 degrees Celsius scorching heat. Finally, we perform system integration debugging and liquid cooling verification. Using an intelligent liquid cooling system, we establish a complete thermal management mechanism. The temperature difference set inside the pack is strictly controlled within a tight range. This industrial and commercial energy storage cabinet is equipped with 5 pack modules, with a total capacity of 261 kWh. It supports hybrid connection of PV and diesel generators and operates in both grid-connected and off-grid modules. versatile solution for enterprise energy management. From precision manufacturing to layer upon layer of stringent testing, every step reflects our commitment to product quality and our solemn promise to deliver reliable products to the market and our customers.